without instructions? Because I mean, we can figure that out. It's all the bolts.
They just let it go.
It's a Mustang.
I love when fans can drive bots. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are finally about to do something about this. I've been driving it around for what? It's been like 2-3 weeks that it's had no bumper on it. So we stuck a couple zip ties so we didn't mess up the inner liners, but something just got dropped off at the front door. And it's big. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. All right, so all we have snapped on is just a splitter, and already, dude, that thing looks so mean. Golly, I can't wait till we get all these grill pieces in there, and I can actually have turn signals again, dude. I can stop with the hyper flash. I can actually put my turn signals back in and not have everything just hanging down and everybody looking at me like I wrecked the car. All right, well, let's go ahead and take the bumper back off and start putting all of that stuff on it.
No instructions.
That's it.
No instructions.
Well, I guess that's why you have YouTube. You can look up on YouTube and see how to do this kind of stuff behind the scenes. They don't get instructions. Okay, well, let's just start putting stuff together and see what happens.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Like that.
It's gonna have that shroud piece that goes over the top.
Alright guys, so we got the bumper all put on and everything, and there's a few gaps. It's not exactly lined up, but obviously we still have to get it painted, but it looks really good. So we're gonna pull it out and get a little bit better look at it. That looks so good. We really just need to paint it though. I don't know, it still looks kind of funny not painted.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad not painted.
No, it does.
They just need to get some better wheels.
All right guys, so it is actually the next day here. We drove around a little bit yesterday just to make sure the bumper stayed on and everything is solid, good, and in place. So now, since it's the next day, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to my paint guy and go ahead and get this thing painted. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the paint shop here. We already got the bumper taken off, and he's got it in there. He's sanding it down, getting it prepped for paint. But we're gonna go ahead and head on back to the house, and we'll see y'all in a couple days. All right, guys, so it is a couple days later here, but as you noticed, we did pick up the car in the nighttime. So we got it back to the house, cleaned it up, washed it up and everything, and it looks amazing. It looks crazy. He did a wonderful job with the paint and everything, and the fitment of it from Icon Motorsports is insane. But that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.